In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Google Classroom. Gemini is a set of AI-powered tools built to help educators plan faster and teach with more impact, right inside Google Classroom. I'll walk you through how to access it, select the right tool, tailor the output to your learners, and then publish it in the format you need. Keep your school account handy and follow along. First, head to Google Classroom and sign in using your school's Google Workspace for Education account. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure the active account at the top right is your school one. This ensures you can see the correct features and have the right permissions. If something looks off, try a quick refresh or switch to a supported browser and confirm you're in the right class. Next, look for the Gemini tab or icon in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all the AI tools live. If you don't see it, your administrator may need to enable access for your domain, or you might need to switch to a class where the feature is available. Once it appears, click it to open the Gemini workspace. Inside, you'll see a library of pre-built tools and prompts designed for educators. Things like lesson plan generators, rubric builders, quiz and question creators, exit ticket prompts, and more. Choose the type of resource you want to create based on your immediate goal. For example, pick a quiz builder for quick checks of understanding or a lesson planner if you're mapping out a full unit. Start with the template that best matches your outcome to save time. Now customize the content. Fill in details like target grade level, subject area, and the specific learning objectives you want to address. The clearer you are, the better the results. Include any key vocabulary, topics to emphasize or avoid, time constraints, and the preferred format or tone. If you need differentiation, describe learner needs or reading levels so Gemini can suggest appropriate supports. When Gemini generates your material, take a moment to review it carefully. Check for accuracy, alignment with your curriculum, age appropriateness, and inclusive language. Tweak phrasing, add your classroom context, and verify any facts or examples. When it's ready, export it in the format that fits your workflow. Send it to a Google Doc for collaborative editing, add it to a Google form if it's a quiz, or save it directly as a classroom assignment. Use clear titles, set points and due dates, and if it's student work, choose the option to make a copy for each student. That's it. With Gemini and Google Classroom, you can move from idea to ready-to-use materials in minutes while staying in control of quality and alignment. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.